the Constitution of the United States, and the U.S. Bill of Rights are foundational documents that define the structure of the U.S. government and protect the rights of its citizens. The Constitution, drafted in 1787 during the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia and ratified in 1788, serves as the supreme law of the land. It was created to replace the weaker Articles of Confederation and to establish a stronger federal government capable of uniting the states while safeguarding individual freedoms. The Constitution outlines the framework of the government, dividing it into 3 branches: the legislative branch, Congress; the executive branch, the presidency; and the judicial branch, the federal courts. This separation of powers ensures a system of checks and balances, preventing any one branch from becoming too powerful. The Constitution begins with the Preamble, which sets forth its purpose, including forming a more perfect union, establishing justice, ensuring domestic tranquility, and securing the blessings of liberty. The document is divided into 7 articles, each addressing specific aspects of governance. Article 1 establishes the legislative branch, detailing the powers and responsibilities of Congress. Article 2 defines the executive branch, outlining the roles and duties of the President. Article 3 creates the judicial branch, establishing the federal court system. The remaining articles address relationships between states, the amendment process, and the supremacy of the Constitution. This structure ensures that the government operates within defined limits while maintaining flexibility to adapt through amendments. The Bill of Rights. The first 10 amendments to the Constitution was added in 1791 to address concerns about individual liberties and to further limit the power of the federal government. These amendments were championed by James Madison and other anti-federalists who feared that the Constitution did not adequately protect citizens' rights. The First Amendment guarantees fundamental freedoms, including religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. The Second Amendment protects the right to bear arms, while the Third Amendment prohibits the quartering of soldiers in private homes without consent. The Fourth Amendment safeguards against unreasonable searches and seizures, and the Fifth Amendment ensures due process, protection against self-incrimination, and double jeopardy. The Sixth and Seventh Amendments focus on the rights of individuals in legal proceedings. The Sixth Amendment guarantees the right to a fair trial, including a speedy and public trial, an impartial jury, and the right to legal counsel. The Seventh Amendment ensures the right to a jury trial in civil cases. The Eighth Amendment prohibits excessive bail, fines, and cruel and unusual punishment. The Ninth Amendment clarifies that the enumeration of certain rights in the Constitution does not deny or disparage others retained by the people. Finally, the 10th Amendment reserves powers not delegated to the federal government to the states or the people, reinforcing the principle of federalism. Together, the Constitution and the Bill of Rights form the cornerstone of American democracy. They balance the need for a strong central government with the protection of individual freedoms, ensuring that no single entity can dominate the system. The Constitution provides the framework for governance, while the Bill of Rights acts as a safeguard against potential abuses of power. Over time, these documents have been amended and interpreted to address the evolving needs of society, demonstrating their enduring relevance. For example, later amendments abolished slavery, extended voting rights, and guaranteed equal protection under the law. The influence of the Constitution and the Bill of Rights extends far beyond the United States. They have inspired democratic movements and constitutional frameworks around the world, serving as a model for balancing governmental authority with individual rights. These documents remain central to American identity, embodying the principles of justice, liberty, and equality. Their adaptability has allowed them to withstand the test of time, ensuring that they continue to guide the nation through changing circumstances. As living documents, they remind us of the importance of protecting both the structure of government and the freedoms of the people it serves.